Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. So, let's see today's thought. Keep life simple. So, if you keep the things simple in your life, you may lead to a successful life. Don't make things difficult. Simple things help you to do your work quickly. Before moving ahead, I would like to ask you some questions. When you go to school, what do you wear? Yes, correct. Uniform. And when you are going for any party, what do you wear? Yes, your party dress. So when you wear uniform, you dress up neatly, aren't you? Yes. And when you go to the party, that time also you dress nicely. So it is really important to dress. But if you are taking too much time to dress, so what we have to do? We have to learn how to dress quickly. Today we are going to learn Dress Quickly. This is a poem. Let's see what is there in the poem. Here, can you see this picture, children? Yes. Here we can see a boy is standing in a room and everything is scattered here and there. He is just standing and thinking what to do. On the other hand, now see the next picture. In this picture, the boy is standing near a cupboard and taking out his clothes to go out. So, what do you think? Who will be dressed quickly and go out quickly? Yes, right, correct, students. The boy standing near the cupboard will dress quickly as he has kept all the things at its place. Clothes are properly folded and kept in the cupboard. All the things in the room were at its right place. Now, we will recite the poem. Children, recite after me. All your life you will have to dress every single day. Unless you should happen to be sick, why not learn to do it quick? Hang your clothes the proper way so you will find them fresh next day. Treat them with a little care. Fold them neatly on the chair. So without a bit of worry, you can dress in quite a hurry. Think of the slovenly goods before you strew your clothing on the floor. Now we will see the meaning of the poem. We will see the first paragraph. All your life you have to dress every single day. Unless you have happened to be sick, why not learn to do it quick? So children, all your life you have to dress. Yes or no? Yes. Every day we are wearing different dress. For school we are wearing uniform. For party we are wearing party dress. But when you are sick, you don't feel like to dress. But for other occasions, we need to be quick or hurry. Okay? Now let's see the next paragraph. Hang your clothes the proper way so you will find them fresh next day. Treat them with a little care. Fold them neatly on the chair. Yes, children? So, if you hang your clothes properly, can you see in the picture? Yes. The clothes are hanged properly in the cupboard and keep it in the cupboard. You will find them fresh the next day to get ready. So, if we take care of our clothes and other things and keep them at the right place, it will be easier for us to get ready next day. You should keep them properly and fold it and kept it on the chair. So it will be very easier for you to get ready the next day. We will not waste our time in searching things. For example, when you are coming back from school, And after coming, you throw your iCard, tie, shoes here and there. You keep your bag here and there. You keep your books, you scattered your books. It will be very difficult for you to get ready for the next day, as you have to waste your time in searching all the things again, and you will be late for your school. Okay, children? Now see the last paragraph. So without a bit of worry, you can dress in quite a hurry. Think of the slovenly goops before you strew your clothing on the floor. So student, what the poet want to explain? That if you want to go urgently somewhere without any worry, if your clothes are arranged properly, you can dress quickly. Can you see? If things are arranged properly, you can dress quickly and properly. And on the other hand, now what is the meaning of slovenly? Slovenly means untidy, careless in dress and manner. Now what is the meaning of goops? Goops means rude, careless people with no manners. The meaning of strew. Strew means scattered or spread here and there. Clothing means clothes. So on the other hand, if you keep your things scattered, what happened if you scattered your clothes here and there, and you behave like a careless person, a very rude, lazy person who is not taking care of his things and just throwing here and there and keeping all the things in a mess. So what happened? Think before all this doing. Children, you should think before doing all such things, because you have understand. If you keep your things at the right place, it will be very easier for you to get ready next day, and it will be very helpful for you. So children, I hope you have understood the poem, and I hope after reading and understanding this poem, you all will keep your things at right place, and you will not throw your things here and there, and will learn to dress quickly. Are you going to learn? Yes? Yes, good. Now it's your homework time. You have to recite and learn poem number 9, Dress Quickly, of your English textbook. Thank you. Bye-bye.